gig in the market these days, and you must be aware what is happening and what are the new trends about it. So I'll be waiting for the couple of the questions you may ask in the chat window. I'll be, sharing the answers once the presentation is over. So let's begin for the day, guys. So before I start my day, before I start the webinar, I just want to know the few questions you may answer in the chat window. I hope everyone is allowed to write and type in the chat window. So these are the basic things I just want to know from your end, what exactly you know in IT, and then I'll be starting about the major part, what is about the emerging trends in IT. So the first question which would be there on your screen, which you can see like that, the biggest retailer in the world who does not own a single retail store. Any idea? Any guess you can do, guys? I'm just giving you a 5 seconds for each answer. Some of them they can answer. I can see the chat window. I hope somebody is trying to playing with that, the PPT, having some lines. I request don't do that, guys. It doesn't look nice. I know that you are all UG student and you will be soon going for a PG and then going for the corporate world. Ayush Kumar, I can see the line is there. So can I have the answers? I hope, ma'am, the chat window is open to reply back or not, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So like I was thinking that if we can have a two-way kind of a communication, that would be great, ma'am. So can we have, or we can't have, ma'am?
Sir, I just opened the chat box. Just wait for a minute.
Sure, ma'am. Amazon, exactly. I think Amazon, and then somebody is saying as the CEO of the Amazon also. Second one, guys, the biggest hotel chain of the world who does not own a single hotel. Any idea? Oyo, no. Zomato, no, guys. Airbnb. I think Billy the kid, the ID is there. He's right. User is there. Okay, great. The third one, the biggest fleet owner of the world who does not own a single car. Uber, exactly. Very good. The fourth one, the biggest entertainment company of the world who does not own a single cinema or a multiplex. Netflix, exactly. Aman, you are right. And the last one, the biggest knowledge bank of the world who has never published a single book. Google, that is given by the Pranav. Very good. I can see the zeal that you are having it. I'm happy to discuss more about that further. Okay, so yes, you are right on your part, basically. Okay, and then we can see it here that whatever the answer you can see like that, it's there in front of the screen. So guys, let me know from you, like how these companies are making right now, during this COVID pandemic scene that nobody is expected around 8 months back that entire things will be shut down completely, forever. And we have never thought that these kind of things would be happening. Any idea how they are having that kind of things? Wikipedia. Okay, no, the answer was the Google. So guys, you can see it here. We call it as a digital plus data and a connectivity analytics. Okay, so that kind of things that we are having, and it basically we are trying to enhance the customer whatever the problems they are having. So guys, as you are starting your journey with the BBA and BCA, especially both these terms having an IT, they will be having some kind of IT, and especially with the BCA, you will be having lot of things about the IT kind of things, right? So my request would be like that. See, be update, be upgrade, and be see the latest kind of things. And before I begin, let me start with then about the case study, which is a very interesting kind of a case study. Okay, if you listen it, you can give the answer in a quick manner. You must be using a website called Amazon.in for India. So I'll be talking about an caselet where you can see like that. What had happened on 14 February 2016 in US. 14th February, everybody knows that is a Valentine Day. Boy was giving an order, a boy was giving an order through an Amazon.com, sorry, and he was ordering something like that called as an, he was trying to get the garments and all kind of things that, for her, the girlfriend. While giving the payment, he was getting a pop-up message that whatever the item you have selected for your girlfriend, it may or may not like by her. Now let me know from your IQ level how these machine, Amazon is nothing, it's a kind of an platform where we can, how they get to know. Please listen, the constraints are many. They are basically, they don't know about anything, like what I was saying, it is not an answer of a digital marketing. Okay, they basically trying to build kind of things, okay, that we are having it. I can see lot of the people are trying to make my PPT in a very bad manner. I don't know. I know that you are the kids, but don't do these activity. It does not look nice, guys. Okay. So how these Amazon knows? Any idea, guys? This is not about an digital marketing. Palvi, it is not an digital marketing. It's something more beyond it. Let me come with an answer in a very instant manner. Basically what is happening right now, and frankly speaking, the constraints are more many. The boy has never ever shopped anything on Amazon.com before. He was not in a social networking website. He has not done a Google. He is not into the WhatsApp or any kind of things. So he was into something like that. It is kind of a pattern which is be taken by a credit card, and that kind of things that we are having, and it is holding on that kind of manner. So what I want to say like that, basically what it does, the boy was having an extra card, we call it as an add-on card, which he has given to the girlfriend, and the girlfriend was doing the shopping. Okay, with that kind of the connectivity, they are able to address that kind of things, and we are basically having those kind of those kind of mixing kind of things. So my question to that kind of things that we are having, uh, it's a basically kind of an marketing kind of things that we are having on that thing. So let's start with that thing. I'm just playing that video. Let me know if you're able to. Somebody, ma'am, is trying to close my screen. If you can help me in that. Shubhika, ma'am, you're there.
Sir, just a moment, please, sir. We just change the settings.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
Kamal, sir, we just change the settings, sir.
Yeah, sure, ma'am, definitely. I can understand they must be having the first experience to work over the online.
Save.
And this Kaushal is there, who's trying to draw something, ma'am. Kaushal, I can see whoever is doing it. Then the Gaurav Kumar is there. Again, it has been closed. Let me know, ma'am, once you're done.
Sir, just 1 minute more, just 1 minute
Sure.
more.
Definitely. Navneet is there again. He's trying to draw a line. Ayush Kumar.
I request all the participants, please stop drawing anything on the screen. It's my humble request. Stop doing all these things. It is creating a lot of problems. Stop this right now, please.
Redmi.
Setting change नहीं हो पा रही है क्या?
Ayush Kumar. Abhishek Roy is writing no. So not an issue. So now the students can able to write in the chat window, or it has also been stopped?
So they can write their queries in chat box.
Okay, fine, ma'am, fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So yes, ma'am. So guys, I think we were having some technical problem that has been resolved. So now I hope you are able to see my screen. So I was just talking about the concept known as emerging technologies in IT. In that, I am basically talking about AI, and frankly speaking, I will not take more than 45 minutes starting from now. And I want that it will be a very interesting kind of things if you listen the things in a very careful manner. And you may also write down, I'll be talking about the latest, things which are there with the help of artificial intelligence. So I have many videos, small video, which you can help you to relate all these things. The first one I'll be playing. Let me know, ma'am, if you are able to listen the volume. So guys, the video, what you are able to see on your screen right now, that is a flying man with the help of an Hobart. So what is happening here, there will be, there will be soon in some countries already been started like Australia, New Zealand, like we don't have to travel by our own vehicles or by the other mode. That kind of a technology which is going and which will be taking a pace. The question would be there that how, how it will be helping in India. I cannot comment on that, but yes, the coming days, it will be something like this thing. That we will be reaching, suppose I stay in Noida and suppose I want to reach to GL Bajaj, might be, I'll be having this flying boat and I'll be reaching in a quickly manner without, interacting or without disturbing the traffic sense. So this is a kind of a things that you can think about that, how AI is playing in that thing. So AI is something like that in a very simple manner, which says that it will be on the terms of an robotic. And it has been spread from a virtual to a real life. Now with the COVID, a pandemic, we have all seen very well, we have never expected around 8-9 backs that how our life would be there. And now we can see like that a 17 months year child and a post a PhD who must be around 65 years above that, all are there able to connect with the help of the internet. All are there with the help of these webinar. We are able to do that thing. So, right now, if I talk about it, we are having AI. AI has been taken on a much pace on a CV. Can anybody knows about CV? It's not your resume I'm talking about it, guys. It's a something else, the computer vision. And with the blinking of your eyes, we can check what kind of a personality. I can give you an example, right? The some students were, having that kind of an mind that if we create some disturbance, we will be very happy and it can have our name and fame. But actually, it is not like that. It goes in a bad manner for the coming days, coming times. The professor might be noting your name. So in the same way, now all these change has been done by the computer vision. So a computer vision, I will not talk about much or nothing. Only I just want to tell you that we are having certain the programming language which help us to understand a human being in a very deeper manner, in a very instant manner. Right now, human takes to adjust, or humans would be having some kind of an it will take some kind of an time limit that how we should feel about a customer, but in a very instant manner it grows and it can gives that an idea. uh, Let me know from your screen, basically this is an robot, this is an boy, who is copying whom, guys? Any idea? Boy is copying robot and robot is copying boy. Basically here, the robot are trained. Robot is trying to copy the action of a boy. So you can think about that kind of a technology is going. And now who is training whom? We are trying to train a robot so that he can behave like a human being. I'll be talking about in the upcoming slide that what are the different models, what are the different the caselets where we use artificial intelligence. So here we can see like that robot are getting information from a child who is just hardly a 4 or 5 years old child. So all our body's part reflexes are being monitored and being captured by the machine with the help of a technology called AI. You may note in your mind or in a notebook, whatever you're having, I have just taken a one topic emerging technologies and IT as an AI, but there are many more like a big data, data science, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, fuzzy logics. Again, they are having a separate set of things that we'll discuss later on once I be call again. So I'll be my most of the the PPT and my webinar would be on a AI only. So right now, we are very happy to take selfies. Any idea what does selfies result in that? Now the photographs has been basically taken by an algorithms which can capture your personality traits on the basis of your selfie, what you do. Okay, and they are trying to capture for your further kind of things that we are having it. What it kind of result that we are having, the like there is an there would be a time which will be coming that there will be no interview as once you do your PG level or a UG level. Only your profile or whatever the activities you do on social media, it can be traceable, it can be takeable. And the companies, the corporate world can get to know in a much more reality manner what kind of an personality, what kind of education, what kind of knowledge, what kind of domain you're having, what kind of experience you're having. So with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, the world is getting changed. And you can see like that how impacts we are having it. Let me talk about an IBM Watson. Have you know about this kind of an machine? Basically it does, that's a kind of a query building, and it gives me any result whatever the kind of things that we are having on this thing. And I'll be talking about visualization and personality data. What it does basically based on your ability, based on your mind, based on your the pattern, it tries to capture each and every behavior of things, and basically on that thing it gives me a personality. So you can see on the chart which is having like what kind of an consciousness you are having, extraversion you are having, what are the agreeableness having, emotional range you are having, what are the needs value. Accordingly it makes a chart as an a personality, and it gives me Watson give me opportunity in a very instant manner that we are having on that. This is a kind of an algorithm which basically goes in that thing. I will not take into deep, but yes, some words that you must be knowing like a LinkedIn profile data. That is a one of the the major factor now the companies are dependent on that thing. How active, what kind of and the comment you do, what kind of reply you do, what kind of post you do. On the basis of that thing, they're trying to analyze and judge your kind of the things that you are basically having on that thing. And then we are having a client interface, we are having a web interface, we are having a cloud storage. On that basis IBM Watson are able to do all these. These are all machine, these are the algorithm, these are the programming which help us to interface on that kind of things that we are having it. So let me move above that thing. I'll be talking about an AI technology. We are having latest kind of an software which help us to predict the customer uh, opportunities. Let me talk about it. There is a very good application which is done by Amazon, that is known as Amazon Lex, Lex. If you don't know, kindly browse once the session is over. What it does basically, it try to create an application, or it try to create an basically algorithm for the company, and we can know that how the customer feeling about our the product, what kind of futuristic kind of customer we are having, what kind of the problems we are having, what is my a target sale in my south region, how I can capture more sales in the north region, what kind of stock we are having. It automatically does on that basis, and it is able to do in that kind of things. And again, these are all AI based we are having. So in a very nutshell, AI is something like that which is basically introduces the people all over the world, and with the help of these kind of technology, we can able to emulate, and we can have the all kind of things we are having it. So AI is something like that. There are basically two major, things in AI that we need to understand: solve intelligence and use it to solve everything else. So what does it means? These two words, these two words can be, shown by an video, which I'll play it here. Just give me a second. Okay. So this is an basically, and BMW manufacturing plant. What it does basically, now robotics has been changed entire things, and you can see very well what is happening. It has been 100% the changes of the things that having. We are just taking the picture of an image of the model, and we will just fix to the machinery. Okay, and that they will capture on that basis. It will automation fitting of the, their engine, and not only engine, it will try to fit entire things at a one go. And it will also check about the what kind of an, paint we are adding, what are the levels of the paint that we are having it. They're having certain levels, we are having the 7 basically kind of things are there. So this is basically, you can talk about that, how the AI has been done in a production, how the automation has been done, what are the human that we are. You can see that paint level, we are able to see that what kind of an level or the measuring of the, breadth of the paint, which is very difficult by a manually we are having it. And then we can basically do that thing, and some parts also will be required by an automation system by human beings. But yes, 80% of the things has been, done by an machines that we are having. And this is all about your, automation kind of things. So if we talk about education, what is the need of an education in AI? You can think about, and there are several, application which we are having. If we talk about an Alexa, which has been used in our homes, how, the robots has been changed our things. If we ask some question, how they are basically in with that thing, how kind of an, the intelligence system that we are having it. So you can see at the down, they are having some, jargons. Might be you have a knowledge on that thing, but the upcoming areas, the gig in the technology, what I was talking about, the big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, internal things, which are being, yield in the market, which help us to intensive kind of things that which will grow and which will be having those kind of things which will be having on that thing. So these are the things as an AI expert, you should have an knowledge in depth, and they required a programming also, which is the name, the programming language name as a TensorFlow. So you can see like that, again, these are the major topic which I have just mentioned it here. A deep learning is there, which has been done by a machine learning. Okay, natural language processing is there. Expert a system is there. Vision, I was talking about the computer vision, which is a very important, topic in AI, which help us to. Then we are having a speech recognition. Then we are having a, if you talk about the planning robotics, that kind of things we are having. So how AI is trying to produce or able to help on these things. This is an basically an, artificial intelligence, which basically does that thing. They are converted into two parts. ML is the one part, and the second part is your deep learning. Again, machine learning or something like that, which is done by a supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement method. And nowadays, machines are much more capable. You can think about your Google, which is basically working on those kind of things, and which is trying to train your data for the futurist kind of, not only training, it gives us a, accurate result that we are having on that thing. Okay, there is another video which is a very interesting one. Have you know about HoloLens? HoloLens is something like that. So basically, what is the video? This is about it. This has been designed by a company called Microsoft. All we knows about the Microsoft, a same kind of a person would be there. Okay, and we basically kind of an holo man which has been taken on that thing. And what is this? This lady is in Japan, and she knows English. Okay, so at the same time, once she wear this kind of a machine HoloLens, okay, it will be having an, a similar kind of an, image kind of an person, which you can see, which is trying to grow in that thing. And you can see like a replicate of that. The woman is there. Okay, now she's trying to speak in English, but at the front level, she's giving in a Japanese. So like as a human being, it was a very difficult, like earlier we used to have a translator, but the translator, the work has been replaced by a HoloLens. And frankly speaking, these are the interesting technologies which are coming in the market and we are having and we can use on that thing. So you can see like that, these are the, small example which are coming on these kind of things. So what has been done that thing? There is a very interesting topic that you should give or you should, note in that thing. That is Industry 4.0. Okay, there were having a revolution. Right now we are into Industry 4.0. It has been changed or it has been updated by an Education 4.0 also, which says that everything will be automated. Everything will be data exchange. Everything is a data. Data is the new oil. Data is the new gig in the market. But if we go beyond around 40 years back time, it was started with 1.0 and it was working with, the steam engines that we are having. Okay, then we were having a electric engines that is in the 2.0. And then we were having a assembly line. Okay, and they were working on a mass kind of a production we are having. Then we are having a 3.0. Okay, electromagnetic. Okay, you must have heard about VLSI, a technology. Okay, how automation kind of things that we are having. And now we are into a 4.0. AI, frankly speaking, works on a 4.0 a technology. By 2025, we are expected to have a 5.0, which will be more buoyant and which will be more, advanced kind of things where we are talking about that, we are able to share that whatever the smell and the taste that also can be exchanged. We are the, the companies or the scientists are working on that thing. Let's see that how it will be working on those kind of things. Most of these frequently artificial intelligence technologies are, image and analysis. Image analysis is a backtrack analysis where you can put some image and it can gives you that idea. Let me give you one example of an image and analysis, which is a very important. We are very happy to click our image, okay, with our phone selfies and we take image. Lot of the cloud storage provides us to free storage, right? It can be a Google, it can be Dropbox, it can be Flickr. Any idea what they do with those kind of image? Every image is being sold for $1. Every image is sold $1. You can see like that kind of things we are having. So whatever we do that thing, the companies are trying to, use for those kind of thing. Then if we see that virtual assistant, very good example, Alexa is there. Okay, or in the Windows 10, which we are having a kind of the Cortana. This is help on that thing. Then we are having a predictive and analytics, okay, which will be doing the futuristic kind of things. What will happen in the future, that is using a BI, business intelligence. Then we are having a machine learning. Machine learning, I can give you an example like a Google. Okay, if we are following the same route every day, at the same time in the evening or in the morning, it can give us a route that this is the best time to go to your office or this is the best time to go to your home. So that kind of things we are having. And then we are having a natural language processing. Natural language, something like that, you can think about a translator, the Google translator, which can do that. And I was giving an HoloLens example we are having on that thing. Finally, we are having a self-driving technology that I think everybody knows that, the car can drive by themselves. And let me give you a lively example, although you have seen already, okay, the self-driving, how it moves. So here in this example, you can see like that they are waiting for an cab to come. Okay, and this is a kind of an, cab will take that thing. Okay, so you can see there is no driver, and they are trying to capture by the Google Lens. Okay, they are trying to capture by the Google, image kind of things are there, and there is no driver. And you can see like that is an auto, a driver is there. If you want to drive the car, you can do that thing, and this has been used in, US very well in the California region. Obviously, it requires the infrastructure and all these things are doing that thing. And this is happening. And frankly speaking, I got a chance in 2016 to sit in this, car, and it was a very fascinating kind of things. I don't know how much time it will take it to come in India, but frankly, this is the future which can be grow and which can be having. And you can think like that, what kind of an, algorithms we'll be having, what kind of an the programming will be having, what kind of route it will do, what kind of, best part would you do. and it will be, allows that in the all the manner which can be working on that kind of thing we are having it. So if we go much more behind it, okay, let's talk about how AI is useful in medicine. Okay, so medicine, basically, if you talk about that thing, okay, now you can see like that we can compare, that are two basically x-rays by a machine. We required a less intervention of the doctor, and we get an accurate result. These are the programming language which basically help us to diagnose what kind of a health condition of a patient that we are having it. And this is a something like that, it can automation kind of thing which can be go into a much more, real manner, and we can diagnose that kind of a the problem in a more, earlier stage, so that the expectancy life can be more increased. So this is the kind of things we are having, and radiologists are taking part on that thing. And frankly speaking, I don't know whether you know about that thing. We are having an, uh, the phone, the internet speed 4G we are having it. And some countries like China, North Korea, Australia, they're having a 5G. The best advantage of a 5G is like that the doctor can be anywhere across the globe, the patient can be anywhere in any hospital. By the glimpse, or by the, the internet technology, the doctor can operate, the doctor can do the operation by sitting at one location, another location, and it will be 100% perfectly with these technology that we are having it. So if we talk about the top AI cases, you can see on your screen very well. These are the cases that we are having. The customer experience. I was talking about the customer supply chain, logistics, how my things would do. Most of you have already got experience that once you order something, how it can grow. Human resources, fraud detection, how we can go in advance, like a CIBIL score, by the CIBIL kind of thing, knowledge creation. Right now you can think about that whatever I'm trying to, teach, some of them you must be knowing about it, but some examples, some kind of a case study, you can always, use them, and you can further develop kind of things. And research and development, which is a very important point, like what these are the technology which are already moving, what would be the future in the coming time, what kind of things that we are having it. Then we are having a predictive analytics. The predictive analytics is futuristic kind of things. Then we are having a real-time operation management, how the things can be manner in a real time rather than a batch processing. Customer services, okay, CRM, that is the most important. Those who are from the management side, they can understand that how the CRM can be there. You must have studied in your, school days, how we can risk management and analytics. That is again, I'll talk about in the terms of financial, how we are able to, uh, uh, define that risk, how we are able to legitimate my risk. Then we are having the customer insight, how we can know in proper about the customer, how we can retain the customer, how we can have the futuristic of the customer that we are having. So let me give you one more video, that is a mind sphere of by Siemens. In this video you will see that everything has been into a technology based. Okay, this is a Siemens, that is a German based company, and how beautifully they have made your technology. So in this video, you can see very well, I would not play the entire video. I'll just giving that thing, that earlier they were into a assembly line, which kind of a mass kind of and production we are having. Now with the buttons, with the clicks, everything is being controlled by an automation. So that kind of things that we are having on it. Okay. And it is kind of an growing kind of things are there. So you can think about anything, and frankly speaking, it has been developed and it has been used, like lot of smart cities or the corporate worlds, or manufacturing plants, how they are able to cope with that kind of things are there. These are a technology that are working that thing. I want that everybody should browse. If you get time, I have one more PPT on my slide share. If you write education 4.0 and write my name Kamal Gulati, you can find, this is the link is there, which will be giving a better idea about education, how the education would be moving. You will not believe that 2018, we have never predict that our life would be at our homes, the education with our homes. But we were already developed that the future of the jobs, how it will be, that how would be the disrupted by the technologies, how we will going to learn more, how we will going to gain more, how we going to share more. So those kind of things. If you get time, kindly try to browse on SlideShare Education 4.0 and write my name, Kamal Gulati. You can get the slide or the link is there in front of you. So let me talk about more on AI in sports. Okay, any idea what would be in the sports, guys? Very interesting kind of things. Now let's say I don't know how to play a golf, but I can learn that golf. Or suppose take an example like that, suppose whatever you played, what kind of movements you are missing, what kind of a learning you can do it. Okay, or think about that you play a golf in Delhi NCR or a north region, you go to some other country, let's say Japan, US, UK, what kind of a wind pressure it would be there, how you need to play there, that kind of things which AI help us to develop that kind of thing. And this is a company called Drive Analytics, which try to give you an idea and which basically gives you kind of thing that what kind of a missing things you are doing it, how you can learn more, how you can do best more. You can always see your videos and then it will capture your movements of your all things. Okay, and then you can always try to learn from these things, what kind of an direction that you're having, what kind of an missing things that you're doing, whether your the strengthened things are lesser, whether your the strengthened things are lower. So they try to capture those things and that basis they give an result, they give an insights about you. So that is a AI plays in your those kind of things are there. So let's move ahead. Okay, AI robotic pill, guys. This is a very interesting and very touch on my point. I'm already working with, as ma'am had said, that I'm being associated with Stanford University. And frankly speaking, you will not imagine that how beautiful our life would be there. Expectancy life would be there. During, uh, let me give you an example. I think most of you, or you must be getting scared if you get injection, or IV kind of a dose. I was scared when I was a kid, but with the help of this AI, it has been resolved now. Okay, let me show you this video. I want that I'll play this full video and you can get to know. So this is an, a capsule which will going to insert your human bodies. Okay, let me play from the beginning. And what it does basically, this capsule will remain in your body for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 1 year, depending upon that thing. Let's say this is the capsule which is having an let's say now that most of us are facing the problem with the corona, the COVID, and the third house, frankly speaking, is being infected by the COVID. Earlier when it was a lockdown, everything was good, but now most of us we are affected. So we know that we are taking some antibiotics for 3 days, 5 days, 10 days, and every day if we forget, we will missing the dose. So why don't we eat one capsule? It will retain our body and accordingly it will adjust. So you can see here the capsule is going in our body. Okay, and then you can see like that it will inject in our body whatever it is required per day dose. And we don't have to remain, or we don't have to be taken problem that every day we need to, it will remain and it will basically do that thing, and it will replace the injection that we do have it. It will not absorb the fully, it will take on the time basis. So this is all AI, this is an AI medicine which will be working and which will be having on those kind of things there. I hope you are able to understand what I am trying to show you. So that is a kind of a pill which will replace injection. So you don't have to scared at all. So how beautiful it would be, it will be developed and it will be there. And frankly speaking, the cost, the coming year, it will be lesser than that also. So that kind of things we are having. Okay, let me know, have you heard about a Kiva Amazon? No, I believe no. Okay, so Kiva is something like that which is being used in the Amazon warehouse. That is again a very interesting kind of thing which has been replaced by an artificial intelligence. So what happens here, how they are able to make that store or the stock, what kind of the store arrangement they are having it. You can see like that these are the Kiva which is having a unique key, and they are having around 20,000 these Kiva, and they are able to adjust their store in a very proper manner, automation. Only the clicks of the button, wherever he is trying to operate. Let's say earlier we were having 100 of staff, which has been replaced by 10 people. Okay, they are the kind of, you can think about that multi-level parking. It is working on the same kind of the concept only. Every key is having, and they are trying to move that stock. Not only those things, they are trying to have that stock, how much quantity is there, how much kind of things that they are having. All this is, the latest technology emerging, a technology which is helping to work on those kind of things that we are having it. So this is a kind of an, interesting part which you should basically do that thing, and they are able to do the fulfillment. And you will not believe that the coming time it will be on all Amazon. And we have already seen that how the beautiful customer delighted we are having, what kind of a stock, what kind of a service they are having, and what kind of the product they are having. So you can, I will not say that Amazon will rule our market, but yes, coming time it says that all it will be e-business. Already, during this COVID pandemic, we have already seen almost around 86% we have moved from offline to online. Okay, so that kind of things there. Let me talk about something about AI in farming. Okay, like right now, the farmers are having rights. Right now, it's going on. They are trying to, protest. So this is a kind of a things that we are having. Any idea what would be the demand of food in 2050? There are 8 million peoples, and the food, is getting less. How we should tackle, how should we operate? This has been done by the beautiful by artificial intelligence in agriculture, which says that we can get to know in advance what kind of a soil, what kind of an infrastructure, what kind of a wind, what kind of an, the power we required, and how we can produce more agriculture on the same land. This has all been built by, all these things are there. Okay, and we can reduce the waste. Right now in India specifically, we have seen like that if the rains are not there for 1 year, okay, the crop goes bad. No, there is no use, and the, the farmers, lot of rights right now it's already happening. So how we can maintain, how we can irrigate, how we can harvest in a beautiful manner. So that kind of things that we are able to see and that we are having. Let me give you a very beautiful example. I want to know from you. This is an AI based which are trying to plug, you know, tomatoes automatically. Just see this video, very interesting one. So guys, what you are able to understand from this video, you can see very well there were, 4 colors of a tomato. And the, AI, the machine, what we have developed by using a programming language, it is able to take that, the dark red color only. They are not trying to plug which has not been framed, like a orange color or a green color. But if we think like in our house, if we see like that, we still get an oranges which has not been, fully developed. So that is a beauty of AI. So it is able to plug only those tomatoes which has been fully, made, which is able to do that thing. So that kind of things we are having. This is a very interesting and very close to my heart. Robo dogs, which has been recently introduced in Singapore. The main beauty during this COVID pandemic, our PM Modi ji is always say that maintain social distancing. And now the Delhi government has also having a fine if you don't wear the mask. How we can change this, the concept by an robo. So this is an robo, which is something like that, which is trying to basically act as an police, okay, and trying to capture that image, and immediately it is giving a fine. And right now those who are not maintaining social distancing, okay, and that kind of things that we are having it. Okay, and it is basically a very beautiful kind of the concept, and it is, and the best part is like that we don't have to charge. It is solar charge that we are having. Who those who are not maintaining social distancing, they are being caught, they are being getting fined, they are being getting the penalized, and that kind of things we are having. So such a kind of interesting technology. So the best part, a technology that you can see, that is a kind of a CV, the movement of a person, what they are trying to do. okay, and how they're able to capture those kind of things, what kind of an fine they can have it, all these kind of things are there, and we don't have to maintain. Okay, so that kind of things that we are having on that thing, that is again a beautiful example which has been developed in Singapore. This is the last one, guys, which is more interesting, which you'll be know that thing. Right now, earlier example, earlier videos, you have talked about that machinery, we have done that thing. But now this is a something which you all know, that is a humanoid. Yes, I'm talking about Sophia. Okay, how this, our human has been changed with a technology and how to do. And you must be knowing that Sophia has been gotten citizenship from Saudi Arabia, which acts, which works, which gives an interview just like us that we do. So our, the coming time, which will be changing and that kind of things that we are having on it, and it will be giving on that thing, I think. So this is a very old example around 7 years back. This, the Sophia, which has been developed by MIT. Okay, and they have given by the fully qualified, and you can think like that how the robos and how the humanoid, and frankly speaking, whatever you ask, she will be giving a very accurate answer in a very decent manner. So that kind of things that we are having it. So my last thing, don't relax and wait. You are just, just growing it. Try to adopt some kind of a technology. I'm not saying that you should learn a programming language. You should be well versed of the things, whatever the things that you are having. Think about, a 5 years downtime or a 6 year downtime, what you need to achieve. Okay, what you want to grow, what you want to learn. So adapt that kind of a technology. I will not say that think over an IT, you can think about any other interest, whether it's a finance, whether it's an HR, whether it's an marketing. There is a growing kind of thing for a BCA. There is a couple of things are there. You can become as the hardware expert, database expert, or the programming expert. So that kind of things are there. So during this COVID, there are certain certain sites are there. You must be knowing that thing that you can learn from the Coursera, Udacity, YouTube, and many other things are there. And in fact, GL Bajaj will be providing you ample knowledge. And frankly speaking, I should say in front of the GL Bajaj, that was the first, university where I started the career in India. I was there as a faculty there, and I feel very privileged to be part of it. So guys, rethink your capabilities, reskill and upskill fast. Move from being average to best, guys. Try to enhance your knowledge, try to update your having. So three things that we learn from this, the entire webinar. Data is a strategic game change in the marketplace. You've seen a lot of examples I've given you for AI, the perspective. Big data explosions have begun. Start now and ride the way. There is no limit in terms of an IT, guys. It is always growing and growing and growing. So try to conquer the world. All the best. Happy dating with different technologies in IT. Uh, Last but not the least, guys, when I was a student like you, I did also my BCA, MSc, MCA, PhD, and trying to do the post PhD. I never thought, such a movement that I'll be giving like a lecture or a webinar like that thing. That time, technology was not there. That time, the right path was not there. You should feel a privilege that GL Bajaj is having lot of good webinar. I have seen the schedule for the entire day. And that time the technology was not there. So try to take the best from your institute, from your university, try to grow, try to more work, more hard. With this, thank you. And I'm open with the question and answer. You can feel across to talk on my LinkedIn, Twitter, my own website, my Facebook, and SlideShare. You can get a lot of slide regarding and technology kind of things. So I'm open with any question that you are having. Ma'am, are we there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I think, sir, there is no question from audience side.
I think everything is clear, or it has been all clear.
Right, sir. So, thank you so much, sir.
The session was very enlightening. It helps in developing new insight into the domain of IT. You have beautifully explained. Surely our students have learned valuable things from you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.